Now see here, server key store will be generated under cert under C. So type is JKS file. So here this will be information. So we can right click on this particular open. So this is the C, nothing will be there. You can't read. If I ask you to read all these things and tell me what is written, only server key I can read here. That is my alias. With this name I can search, but it is difficult. So see here, MH is there, GB is there, AU is there, MH1 is there, IN is there, but other information I can't read. So this is the cryptography. Now how can I read all these things now? So difficult. So now I will use export command. We export the public key from this key store. See what I'm saying? आता सर्व्हर की स्टोअरच्या JKS फाईल मध्ये काय आहे? पब्लिक की सध्या इथं. जर तुम्ही जेन की पेअर वापरलं काय राहील, दोन्ही पण राहतील. पण मला काय करायचं, याच्यामधून पब्लिक की काढून घ्यायची आहे आणि ती क्लायंटच्या ट्रस्ट स्टोअरला पाठवायची आहे. या ठिकाणी क्लायंट काय करेल, मग सर्व्हरची तुम्हाला सांगितलं ना हँडशेक कसं होतं आपलं. क्लायंट रिक्वेस्ट टू ऍक्सेस द प्रोटेक्टेड रिसोर्स ऑफ द सर्व्हर. Server issue public key. See what I am saying? I have shown you in the PPT 2 times. Okay. Server issue public key, public certificate to the client. Then client uses that certificate to the CA, that is certificate authority, third party tool. So that will verify that server certificate is good. Okay, you can trust. And then client can send its own certificate. That also checked by the server in two-way communication by the VeriSign or Symantec third-party tool, that is CA. Again, that CA tells that client certificate is also okay, good, you can trust him. And then handshake can be established, and then secure communication can be established, and then private key can be shared. So this is the way how SSL works. So that's why here server key store is there. So in that server key, keys are there. So we have to export, we have to extract that keys from that JKS file. So export key is there to extract the key. So I will write here, note down at when I typing. So type key tool again. Now we have to use export command. So write -export command. Again, it requires alias name. So if you want use the same alias, so whatever alias I have to used for the server key, so same alias I am using here because I am exporting this file, server key store.jks file. So that is alias is I have written at that time server key. That is must. So same key we have to write here. So now directly we have to type key store. Which key store is created by the JKS file? So that path, local C disk under cert. That is the path for key store. You know, store is storage. So where keys are stored, so that path we have to write here. So here I will type C:cert and name of the file. So server dash key store.jks. So this is the file. From that file, I want to extract the public key or public certificate. So up to this, okay. Now we have to give file option on in which file we want to export the certificate. So here we can type the same path or we can type different path also. So here I am typing the same path cert. Then here I have to give the name to that public certificate of the server. So here I will type server. Be carefully, note down. Server dash public. Now here we have to add extension, that is CRT. It is very simple command. In the first command I have created server key store. with that particular location and by giving the name of the file. So that file will be created under JKS name. Now, from that JKS file of the server, I want to export public key. So that's why I have to use export option. It will ask for the alias name, same alias we have to type, key store, same path where that JKS file will be stored after creating. So that path we have to give fully. Then at what file name we have to write the key. So that file option is there. So open file. Then we can use same path or different path, just I told you. So here I am using same path, C under cert. Then server dash public. Now here instead of JKS we have to add CRT extension because it is certificate. Okay, enter. Again it will ask for the password because we are extracting certificate from key store JKS file. So it will ask for the password. Those who know the password, they can export the certificate. So this is the security. So here I will give 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Enter. Now certificate stored in the, now see. Certificate is stored in the file under CRT. So now see here. This is key store. From that key store, I have extracted this public certificate for the server. Now open this certificate. See here. Details, general. This CS certificate is not trusted because it is self-signed. What I am saying, listen all of you carefully what I am saying. Note down. Whenever I click on that certificate, right click on the certificate and open. So this is the screen. Dialog box will be appeared. There are 3 tabs in the general. There is certificate information. So this CA root certificate, because this is a root. Under that there is intermediate CA and lastly this is a Google or that is server certificate. That is chain. One is root CA at the top, in the middle intermediate CA, that intermediate certificate authority, and lastly there is a server certificate. So here this root CA is not certified, trusted because it is not certified. So that's why I told you in the real time we have to certify this. Okay, so this is the thing. So issued to GB because I am given the GB name. GB again, this is the valid from 1st February to 4th February. You can all this we can create. Later on you can install also. In the detail, see here, all details will be given. So what are algorithms we are using? So see here. So this is we can't read it. So this is a encrypted key. And in the certificate path, only GB is there. So if I open any website now, see the website. See what I am saying, what I am showing, be carefully. See the padlock, click on this certificate and see the hierarchy. See the hierarchy here. Google Trust Services, root CA. At the top, GTS CA 101, intermediate CA, and google.com, this is a server certificate. So that is it's authenticated. So this is given to google.com and this is issued by GTS CA. This is a third-party tool. So this is the way you can get the certificate. You can verify the certificate publicly with the help of that padlock. But here, whatever certificate I am showing, this is not valid. It is under GB. So what is GB? Okay, so I am not verified this certificate, but I am showing the way you can create this certificate like this. Now you can import this certificate to the public key store. So for importing, because now we are extracting this certificate from key store. Now we have to store this certificate under client key store or trust store. So here we can use one more command, that is import command. So again use qtool command. Then import command now. So import. मला काय करायचंय, हे सर्टिफिकेट जे तयार केलंय ते एक्सट्रॅक्ट केलं, एक्सपोर्ट केलंय, त्याला इम्पोर्ट करायचं. कुठं करायचंय? क्लायंटच्या ट्रस्ट स्टोअर मध्ये. ट्रस्ट स्टोअर आणि की स्टोअर दोन प्रकार आहेत. तर दुकान सारखं आपलं स्टोरेज प्लस ना, स्टोरेज. ट्रस्ट स्टोअर, ट्रस्ट विश्वास घेण्यासारखा. की स्टोअर हिचा अर्थ काय? पब्लिक प्रायव्हेट कीज. म्हणजे स्टोअर मध्ये काय पाहिजे? की स्टोअरच्या पब्लिक आणि प्रायव्हेट कीज पाहिजेत. आणि ट्रस्ट स्टोअर मध्ये काय पाहिजे? पब्लिक सर्टिफिकेट. तर असं तुम्ही स्टोअर की स्टोअर क्लायंट साइडला सुद्धा करू शकता आणि सर्व साइडला सुद्धा करू शकता. ओके, सो हियर आय एम इम्पोर्टिंग दिस सर्टिफिकेट, public certificate, to the client side so that client can verify or check it whether it is proper or not. So here I will write again alias name. So now this will be different now because I want to import this certificate. So after importing, at what name you can search it. So it depends on you. So I can give client public. Okay, client public. Then again I will give the key store from where it is to be imported and where to be imported. आधी काय द्यायचं आपल्याला? काय इम्पोर्ट करायचं आणि कुठं करायचंय. तर आधी काय करायचं, मग तो पाथ द्या, जो आहे तोच द्या. सध्या आपला जो आहे सी कोलनचा सर्ट मधला काय पाहिजे आता मला? सर्व्हर डॅश पब्लिक. सी व्हॉट आय एम सेइंग. Sorry, we have to create the key store for the client. Sorry, so we have to give the client JKS file. Okay, then we have to give the path of the certificate to be given. या ठिकाणी मी काय करतो? की स्टोअरचं काय घेतो? सी कॉलम मध्ये सर्ट मध्ये क्लायंट डॅश पब्लिक. सी डॉट JKS. सी काय केलं आता? हे जे सर्टिफिकेट आहे सर्व्हर डॅश पब्लिक, याच्यामधून मला काय घ्यायचं? आता हे सर्टिफिकेट कुठं टाकायचं? मला या फाईल ऍड करायचंय. पण मी काय केलं? इम्पोर्ट alias नाव दिलं, ज्यानं मला ओळखता येईल, फाईल सर्च करता येईल. क्लायंट पब्लिक दिलं मुद्दाम. की स्टोअर कमांड आहेच आहे, ऑप्शन आहे. आता मी काय केलं? सी मध्ये त्याच लोकेशनला क्लायंट पब्लिक नावाने JKS फाईल तयार केली. आधी आपण काय तयार केली ती? सर्व्हर की स्टोअर नावाने केली ती. ओके, और यू कॅन राईट हिअर client key store also. Okay, .jks. Client key store, server key store, server public, client certificate or client public. त्यानंतर मी काय करणार आता? या ठिकाणी एक फाईलचा ऑप्शन आहे आपल्याकडे. कुठल्या फाईलला तुम्हाला एक्सपोर्ट करायचं, इम्पोर्ट करायचंय आणि कुठं करायचं? हे कुठं झालं? हे कुठं झालं म्हणजे सर्व्हर पब्लिक सर्टिफिकेट मला कुठे घ्यायचंय? क्लायंट की स्टोअर मध्ये घ्यायचंय. मग ही फाईल तयार करणार मी. आणि आता कुठे सर्टिफिकेट ते तो पाथ द्या. So it is in the same directory, so no need go to outside the cert. So write down the certificate public file. So here server dash public dash CRT. See what I have done? ही कुठं फाईल सर्व्हर पब्लिक मी पाहिली, तिच्यामध्ये जे काही हे आहे पब्लिक सर्टिफिकेट ते मला इम्पोर्ट करायचंय क्लायंटच्या की स्टोअर मध्ये. तर तो पाथ तयार केला मी. या पाथवरच मला असं नाव पाहिजे मला. यू कॅन गिव्ह एनी नेम, client key store.jk. So this file will be created and which contains this certificate. Okay, so enter here, see what happens. Again it will ask for the password. See, so this is important key tool. You can use OpenSSL also in the Linux variation, Linux flavors, or you can go through GUI, that is key store, explore a number of websites you can search in the Google. So here again I can type 1 2 3 4 5 6. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, I am typing. Enter. Again, it will ask for the. I am typing the same name. Here I am creating the key store. For creating key store, you can use different passwords because this is a server key store. At that time I have typed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But this is now client key store. So you can type different password, but for the example point of view, I am typing the same password 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So enter here, see here. So after entering here, owner, whatever you have given in that particular at the time of server key. So this information I have given GB, DC, DC, AU, image and CIN. You know that. Issuer, C, issuer, same because I am not certified. Serial number will be attached. Valid from January 2 until 2021. Okay. You can extend this also. Then this is a certificate fingerprint. So this fingerprint we required. This is the hash algorithms. See. Signature algorithm name. So this is signature RSA. Subject आपण काय टाकलं होतं टाकताना 2048 आपण टाकलं की साईज आठवते. What is algorithm RSA टाकलं होतं आपण. म्हणजे आपण जी माहिती टाकली सगळी अशी ही सगळी दिसते इथं. Extension. Now this is the object ID. Criticality false. Then this is again identifier. So in this way, this is the contents of the public key. So this is available to anybody. Anybody can see who is the issuer, who or on what name. Here Google will be there. Google, issuer, Symantec, maybe VeriSign, maybe other websites. But this is a dummy certificate, self-sign. That's why I have shown you how to create the certificates. Now see here. So it will ask for the last message. Trust this certificate. Yes, no. Default is no. When you type enter, it will not save. But you have to type yes here. And see. Certificate was added to key store. Now minimize it and see. Client key store, just I have created. Server key store, initially I have created. From that I have exported this public certificate and that certificate will be imported now into client key store. Got it? How to use the key tool command?